your name?
No, what is your name?
Chris Dixon.
Your name is Chris Dixon. What are you going to be doing today?
Cooking.
Cooking what?
Cooking, yeah.
Cooking lessons. We're going to be making a quiche.
And keys.
Okay, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Say, hey y'all, I'm back.
I'm back.
Say, I'm back. Look, make sure you're looking at the camera.
You got the camera.
No, you look at the camera. What's up, good people? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. Thank you guys for watching our latest videos. We greatly appreciate you. We are super excited today because we have Chef Chris. This is his first debut in 2023. Chef Chris, how you doing today?
How you doing?
How are you doing? You doing good?
Doing good?
Are you?
Yeah.
All right. He's doing good. And are you?
Fine.
You doing fine? Okay. You ready to cook?
Okay.
Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
All right. Today we're going to be making some delicious, healthy quiches. A quiche is something that you can eat for a snack, a breakfast. Actually, you can eat it for dinner. It's easy for meal prepping because you can also freeze them.
You doing good?
Yep, you're doing good. And it's something that you can take on the go with you. And today, Chef Chris and I are going to be showing you how to make them. Isn't that right, Chef Chris?
That's good.
Yes, you are Chef Chris. All right, so what do we have right here? What's this one?
Fine. I'm fine.
Yes, what is this one?
And cheese.
All right, we got cheese. We got bell pepper. What color?
Bell pepper.
All right, what color is this one?
Red.
Red. All right. And we have...
Yellow.
Yes, we do. And what's this?
Sausage.
Yes, it is. Good job.
Brown.
Brown what?
Eggs.
Brown eggs. Y'all, I see y'all posting about the price of eggs going up. I want to know how many eggs you guys are eating a week. Like, how many cartons of eggs are you buying a week? Are you buying the same amount? Are you buying less? Or are you just not buying eggs at all? Drop in the comments and let us know. How many eggs, is it, if you're a baker, here's a hint, tip. If you're a baker or you need eggs with, something, you're baking a cake or something, you can use applesauce. That's another form. Just letting you guys know. And what is this?
Baby spinach.
Baby spinach. So this is what we're going to put into our quiches. Are y'all ready? Because we ready. So you remember? Make sure you hold this side. Push it down. Gotta get in there, man. Keep on going. Make sure you don't get your fingers. Good job. Slide your fingers over. The further you go over, the more you slide your fingers. There you go. Get in there. Moving on just a little bit more. Okay, good job. There you go. Doing a good job. One thing I've been working on with Chef Chris is his fine motor skills. So cutting, doing things like this. So he's doing a pretty good job. What you think, Chef Chris? Here, put that in. Get those. Put them in that bowl. Fast forward a little bit. Check us out. Cutting these bell peppers. Go ahead, Chef Chris. Work that magic. All right, so now get you some more spinach. Here, get you some spinach. You want to break it with your hands or you want to cut it? All right, so just break it up. There you go. Make them smaller. You see the big pieces? They need to be a little bit smaller. You see these big pieces? Make them smaller. Here you go. Smaller. Brought in Junior Vibes. Junior Vibes. Give him the pieces, a wave or something. All right. Junior Vibes is going to crack the eggs for Chef Chris. Are you ready? Go ahead.
What? Good, yeah.
Chris said, good luck. Chris wishing you the best of luck while you cracking your
So,
eggs.
if you want to take away
Christopher,
and keep
what you talking about?
each is has a new adventure.
Now what? You going on a new adventure?
And
Where you going to? What new adventure? Where you going? So now Chef Chris is stirring up our eggs so we can get ready to make our quiches. We have oiled our pan and we're going to assemble them. Are y'all ready? You ready, Chris? Are you ready?
yeah.
All right, let's get into it. So now we're mixing everything together, pouring it in there. We're going to add some cheese and whatever else we choose to add. All right, now we have our quiches in our pan and we're going to put these bad boys in the oven and we're going to let them cook and then we'll come back and show you the end result. Are you ready to let them cook?
Ready to cook?
All right, let's put them in the oven. And we are back with our finished product of our quiches. Ooh, y'all, they look so good. Chef Chris, you want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. The first taste. What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Did you enjoy it?
Enjoy
Did you have a good time?
a good time.
All right. You can put them down. All right. With that being said, that's the end of our episode. You want to say goodbye, Chris?
Finish?
No, yeah, we're finished. But do you want to say goodbye?
Say goodbye.
Say make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.
We see